So today was going to be a nothing day. I could just feel it. After work, I was probably going to do nothing. But I didn't really want to do nothing. I didn't want to be in that attitude. So I made my day amazing, to be honest. Well, not amazing, but it was pretty good. Definitely enjoyable. Got a sore back. Work was good. I enjoyed work. There was only one ute this Saturday. The two main supervisor and doc, and then the boss. We did 8 jobs today. It went pretty fast. We finished at 10:30. Then I got home and I played. I don't know. I just did nothing. I was going to play Grid, but then Then I was going to play Halo, and I was like, nah. So I didn't know what to do. So I thought, screw it. Let's make today something. So I was checking Facebook events, and there was indoor drone flying. So I was like, stuff it. Yeah, let's go and check it out. And then there was quite a bit of travelling in between it. I've done a lot of kilometres today. And then there was the drone. The drone was cool. The drones are very tiny, like they would fit in my hand. I wouldn't do it personally, that doesn't interest me, but it was good to see someone do it. There was like apparently 50 members, but there was only like 3 when I got there. So yeah. $350 for the most expensive miniature drone, and that's with the controller. And then the other ones are like 200 to 300 without the controller, so I guess they're better. I don't know. Then I went to the Fringe just to check it out. Look, my hand's starting to heal now. That's from the palm tree. Anyway, I went to the Fringe, I just parked the bike, pretty much went for a walk. Yeah, it was cool. I did enjoy the walk. It was a nice walk. I wonder how many steps I've done today. Doesn't say. Well, I did a decent amount. Then after Fringe, I went to Cars and Coffee. And all these things only say like 10 minutes. I swear to God, maybe like 15. Like the drone was only like 15 minutes. The Fringe was only like 15 minutes. Cars and Coffee. I think it was less. I think it might even be like 10 minutes. But that was only because I had to get to the bike meet before, the bikes left. So yeah. The Cars and Coffee looked promising. There was a lot of cars there, a lot of them. Looked like a very big event. And then I went to the bike event, which was cool. It really was. I enjoyed it. We went to Hallett Cove or Hollett Cove or Hollett Cave or Hallett Cave. I don't remember. But yeah, we went there. It was about a 30-kilometer ride, but it was a long 30-kilometer ride because there were like 20-30 bikes. Everyone was going pretty slow. There were quite a few R3s and Honda 3s, so I had fun sort of drag racing them because my bike can. It does pretty damn well against them, to be honest. If not, I beat some of them, but no one was really gunning it, Lots of MTs. Oh, so many MTs. It's just so boring. There's more MTs than Groms. There's more MTs than Harleys. There was like 3 Harleys, and there was like 3 Groms, and there was like fucking 600 MTs. Yeah. I got some Maccas. I'll watch a movie. Probably Alien, the original, on Disney Plus. Probably. Anyway. I made today a good day. I enjoyed today. Left my sunglasses at work, so I recorded little footage, and I still do my daily videos. Yeah. Anyway, bye.